The 2011 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, FWD, rear window defroster, power windows, trip computer, child safety rear door locks, side airbag, side curtain airbag, ventilated front disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.